All right, we're back for more biology. Today we're going to start talking about cell cycle, which is one of the processes that our cells go through. We've been really focusing on cell processes lately by talking about transport across the membrane, photosynthesis, cellular respiration. Now we're going to look at the cell cycle. We're going to go over it, go over it quickly because we're really going to hit a little bit more of it in depth when we talk about mitosis, which is part of the cell cycle. What's really cool is at this moment, millions of cells in your body are dividing, and this division is part of the cell cycle. The cell cycle itself, as far as the definition goes, that I want you to put on your note sheets. The cell cycle is a regular sequence of growth and division that cells undergo and is divided into three main categories. It's interphase, mitosis, and cytokinesis. Stage one of the cell cycle is called interphase, and this is the period before cell division where your cell is going to grow. It makes copy of its DNA, and it's really preparing for the next stage of mitosis, which is the stage where it's going to divide into two cells. So stage two is mitosis, and this is the stage during which your cell's nucleus divide into two nuclei, and one copy of the DNA is distributed into each of the two daughter cells that are formed as a result. Mitosis itself has four phases: prophase, metaphase, anaphase, and telophase. And we're really going to dig deeper into that in the next unit where we look at what's happening in each one of those phases of mitosis. The final stage of the cell cycle is stage three, which is cytokinesis. And this is the final stage in which the cytoplasm divides and the organelles are distributed into two new cells. The process of cytokinesis usually begins in telophase, which is the final phase of mitosis, but the actual pinching off with animal cells, the cell membrane squeezes together around the middle of the cell and pinches the cytoplasm into two new cells. So the actual pinching and forming of two cells is cytokinesis in the animal cell. And in the plant cell, the cell plate forms across the middle of the cell, and it gradually develops into two new cell membranes.